Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMin video, and today we're going to see how to unmerge the cell on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unmerge the cell on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, you can see this is asked me, this cell has been merged, and this is a bigger cell has been merged, and this is a cell merged, and this is cell merged. I just need to unmerge this cell. So you just click on the cell first, and you can just see on the home section in here you can see the merge and center is actually selected. Click on the stop menu and you can use Ctrl N, or you can just click on this option which unmerges cell. The same process can be repeated. Just click on this icon which will be unmerged or every cell on your Excel. So you can also select the whole place and click on the unmerged cell. It will unmerge all the cells on your sheet. This is how you just use your unmerged cell option on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.